Diana,
What?
today we go to the birthday. Come on, I'll wait, okay?
My dress! Old dresses. I want new. I know! I will do it myself. I'm ready. Super? Papa! Papa, I'm ready.
Diana!
Am I beautiful?
Very nice. But this is not for birthday. Come on. Another dress.
I know. Super! Papa, I'm ready.
Diana? Uh-oh.
Very nice.
This dress is fantastic, but it's not for birthday.
Ooh, I know. Dad loves yellow. Super! Papa! Papa, I'm ready!
Diana? You're very funny, but girl must be beautiful.
No!
Don't worry.
Which dress to choose? Ooh, I know! This will help me. Wow! I'm beautiful! La 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 la. Papa!
Wow!
Am I beautiful?
Yes,
Yay!
but not for birthday.
What?
Oh, Diana,
Huh?
I have a new dress for you.
Wow! Nice dress. Thank you, Daddy.